Good morning, everyone. Andy here. Just wanted to pop in and show you guys a brief glimpse at how the Sniper Extreme Black Line Cross Signal Calling Indicator performed today in the DAX. Let me quickly bring up a risk disclosure just to make sure we get this in here. Really important to make sure everyone always understands the risks involved in trading, so check that out. I'm going to be really brief today, guys, as I'm under the weather, but I just wanted to share with you because it was a phenomenal day in the DAX. So since the European markets came online around 2 o'clock, let's take a look. And what I want you to key in on and recognize and notice is the black line. Okay, watch the black line down here in the pulsed extreme indicator. When it crosses from the colored area down to the gray area, we get a short signal. When it crosses from the gray area back to the colored area, we get a long signal. Okay, so the first cross from gray to colored happens here. Boom, we're long, nice winner. Second cross happens from here, from colored to gray. The auto signal generated indicator fires off, short, boom, winner. Crosses from the gray area to the colored area, signal fires long, winner. So, guys, this, what we did with this sniper, all these sniper signals and tools, is to make them really visual in nature, make them easy to assimilate, easy to understand, easy to see, easy to execute off of. This signal took a little bit more heat, but if one used what we call the robust stop management strategy, you would have had a really good sense that there was further move to the downside. This was a great place to average in at value, add on some more contracts, and take it down for a winner. The reason being, the black line here in our extreme pulse indicator never traded up against the short. So these three arrows point out that we had three up close bars, yet during that whole time the black line never traded up. It gave us good confidence that we were going to head down for another trade. So that's this was 1, 2, 3. That's the fourth winner. Then you can see fifth winner here to the long side, sixth winner here to the short side. We're still real early in the wee hours of the morning. Seventh winner here to the upside. And just keep watching this black line crossing back and forth. Eighth winner to the downside in a row. Ninth winner in a row right here to the buy side. 10th winner in a row on a follow-through buy to the upside. 11th win in a row on a short. So, when the Sniper Extreme Pulse Blackline Cross signal calling indicator gets in this kind of a groove, I personally, I'm going to take most of these signals. If you want to be a little bit more conservative and only trade with short-term trend following rules like we described in the Mirrors webinar last night, well, there are a few of these signals you might not have gotten. Most of them you would have. You would have been able to weed out and miss these two losses for sure if you were trading with the short-term trend following rule set. But that's 11 wins, 2 losses if you're just taking every signal. 12 wins, 2 losses. 13 wins, 2 losses. And we had our third loss here if you're just taking every signal. This one was very easy to avoid, however. Our action line did not trade higher at all, so pretty easy to avoid that one. 14 wins, 15 wins, 16 wins. Now we're into the day session. 17 wins, 18 wins, 19 wins, 20 wins. And this trade here was the only trade of the day that had a buy signal on a red bar. I'm not interested in going long on a red bar or short on a blue bar. The only trade of the day that happened like that. So that one was very easy to avoid. And let's see how many ticks into the profit we got here. There were 6 ticks worth of profit, so we'll call that one a winner. And I think that was 20, if I'm not mistaken. I kind of lost track of counting. 20 or 21 wins from the Open at the European Open through the current price action. 21, Greg tells me. So 21 wins, 3 losses if you took every signal. And guys, you probably could have eliminated every single loss and probably about 20% of the wins had you traded with short-term trend following rules. So you would have weeded out a couple of the wins, but kept most of them and gotten rid of all 3 of those losses if you just overlapped a few levels of confirming factors. But pretty amazing and exciting day for the DAX. Very accurate, and you got to love the sniper. Makes it easy for us. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all back here tomorrow. Shoot me an email, ajc61@yahoo.com, if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.